Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off and restart without using the power button on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now as you can see, the power menu has appeared on the screen. And from here, you can power off or restart your smartphone. And also there is another method. Just open the settings app, accessibility, interaction and dexterity. Now enable the assistant menu. Now just tap on the assistant menu and tap on power off menu. And from here, you can restart or power off your smartphone. And this is how you can turn off or restart without using the power button on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.